All right, my name's Rob Pytalik. I work for KDS Cabinets, Kitchens and Bathrooms in Geelong. We are sort of getting known in Geelong as the house lot specialist because we just tend to gravitate customers who have like the whole house lot of joinery at the one time. I have zero design experience before KDS, so it was a very quick learning curve, helped by you guys at Cabinets by Computers. Drawing in 3D 2 years ago was difficult, having never done it. Now I struggle to draw in 2D. 3D is so easy now. It's much more user-friendly, especially with the top view, when you're trying to set islands away from rear walls and stuff like that. And it makes life much easier, even coming in under to see how a kicker's working. And you can bring it all the way underneath the cupboards and see everything underneath. It makes it so much easier. So a standard kitchen design would take about 2 hours, depending on finger pull or handles or any minor details. But usually solidly in 2 hours, I can have a design to show a customer. There's definitely benefits to showing customers the rendering of the KDS drawings. I tend to give the room size, the correct window size, the door size, so they actually get the feeling of the room size with the kitchen in it. It's helped us out a couple of times when there's been a pantry on a wall and like an oven on the adjacent wall, and there's been like a 450 gap, and you don't sometimes pick that up on a two-dimensional drawing, but when it's three-dimensional and you get it from different angles for the rendering, I can then go into the CAD and linear the measurement and find it's only 450, you can't fit a person through there. It saved us quite a few times. KDS benefits compared to shop drawings would definitely be the accessibility. I can access using OneDrive from my phone or like on site at a customer's house, their own drawings or previous renders. When customers come here, I can shoot them across an email with the KDS drawings and the CAD straight away. It makes the whole process much more streamlined. I get a lot of two-tone kitchens, so I get a lot of overheads and tall cupboards will be white and base cupboards of an island will be grain board or black. KDS makes literally a click of a button. I've actually got a kitchen now that I've rendered the overheads in 3 different colours and it took 10 minutes. Just render, change colour, render, it was so simple. And it saves the customers coming into the showroom for an hour and a half to maybe like a colour, maybe not like a colour. They can see it right in front of them and they get 3 choices side by side. Cabinetry in Australia-wide, it's a competition to invent new laminates, matte laminates, new wood grains. And it makes it a lot easier with KDS that I can literally just go to a supplier's website and bring in a JPEG and it's there straight away. Within a minute, I can now render a whole kitchen in a brand new laminate or a brand new grain. It's definitely fluid and very simple. The support was always at the drop of a phone call. The guys at Cabinets by Computer have been really fantastic answering my calls, and if you don't have the solution on the spot, it's usually an email the next day or the day after. KDS is the reason we are as successful as we are. From the word go, it is the initial contact with the customer. We show them previous renders and previous CAD drawings from the renders, and a lot of our customers give that to their builders to place plumbing and electrical and stuff like that. And a lot of our customers are very happy to put finished kitchens versus their render on their Facebook. 90% of the time it's spot on, it's hard to tell which one's a render and which one is the actual kitchen. I think KDS definitely helps us win more jobs. A lot of customers have come to us saying that their friends had drawings from us, and that's why they originally came to us in the first place. Obviously a decent price helps, but what draws the customers in probably over 30% of the time at the moment is previous KDS renders. And compared to anything else, it's by far the best program.